This is my laptop, or should I say was my laptop, because I don't think I explicitly need to tell you before you know I needed a change. So I got myself a MacBook Pro. Never owned one, never unboxed one, and so this is my first time, so let's get right into this. So it comes with the laptop itself and the charging cable. This and the charging brick itself. Unlike I expected much more from Afova, the unboxing experience is so brief. This is a MacBook Pro. It's Apple's own M4 chip inside. It's a 16GB RAM and a 512GB ROM. It is in the color Apple themselves call Space Black. That's pretty much everything you should know about this laptop. It's a 14.2-inch PC, and so it is smaller than what I'm used to. I'm used to a 15-inch system PC, but that's not really a big deal. And so what should I expect? I'm looking forward to more power and more efficiency. Emphasis on that efficiency. On the other hand, what I am not a very big fan of is having to move to a whole new operating system because of this piece. That brings us to the part of the video where I say this. If you've always wanted to know how it feels to move from one operating system to another operating system in which you have no clue about, maybe you should subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification, because I'm going to be reviewing this PC and sharing my experience with the MacBook Pro. And so that's about it. I'm Chef, I promise I want to tech. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in person.